Lemon is a rich source of vitamin C, providing 64% of the daily value in a 100 grams reference amount table. Lemons contain numerous phytochemical, including polyphenols, terpenes, and tannins. Lemon juice contains slightly more citric acid than lime juice, about 47 grams, nearly twice the citric acid of grapefruit juice, and about 5 times the amount of citric acid found in orange juice. Home remedies using lemons you need to know. For hepatitis, stones, cancer, diabetes and hypertension. Over 24 days make a citric cure as follows. The first day in the morning, take the juice of half lemon in a glass of warm water without sugar. The second day in the morning, take the juice of a ripe lemon in a glass of warm water without sugar. Third day in the morning, take the juice of a lemon and a half in a glass of warm water without sugar, so on until the 8th, where you take the juice 4 ripe lemons in a glass of warm water without sugar. Then from the 9th day, reduce by half a lemon a day, 3.5, 3, 2.5, 2, 1.5, 1 and finally half to arrive at the 15th day. Retake as on the first day from the 16th until the day. Convalescence. Place a handful of fresh lemon tree leaves in a lid container, pour 1 liter of boiling water over it, let it steep for 1 hour, then sweeten with honey and make a Madeira glass twice a day. Angina and glossitis. Gargle with pure lemon juice in adults, and diluted in a little boiled water in children. Injury, infected wounds. Pure lemon juice is an excellent antiseptic for wounds. Decalcification, febrile state. Take 2 to 3 times a day, homogeneous mixture of lemon juice plus moringa powder plus some hot water. Fevers. Take a brew prepared with 3 large ripe lemons, chopped in a liter of water and sweetened with honey. Diabetes. Take in the middle of each meal the unsweetened juice of a ripe lemon. Hemorrhoids. Make applications on the anus of compresses of highly lemony water. Nasal hemorrhages. Cotton swab soaked in lemon juice. Hypertension. Take the juice of a ripe lemon in a glass of water, twice a day. Liver lithiasis. Make a lemon cure. Obesity. Regularly make a lemon cure. Intestinal worms. For 5 days, take lemon pips with honey every morning on an empty stomach. Note, whenever you take the lemon, chew a few seeds. It's good for the body. White teeth. To have white teeth and reduce tartar, brush them twice a week with lemon juice, then rinse your mouth, but avoid prolonged contact of the lemon in the mouth because its concentration of citric acid could damage the enamel of your teeth. To stop bleeding gums after brushing your teeth, take a lemon peel and rub your gums tightly with the inside of the bark, white part. Thanks for watching our video. Like and subscribe to our channel for more related videos.